Hi, my name is Prem Kumar Naini. In this video, I would like to demonstrate my artificial intelligence project, which is developing a chatbot that can provide range of functionalities based on three different tasks that I've chosen. I've chosen task A for expanding the conversational capabilities, and task B for adding rule-based logical reasoning, and I've chosen task C for adding image classification and evaluation. Allow me to explain my code. For this chatbot, I've chosen Naruto anime as my topic. My folder contains knowledge base CSV files. I utilized NTLT libraries to create first order logic knowledge base, and I've got my AI ML file. I expanded it by adding 10 more conversation patterns related to my chosen topic. Then I have my H5 file. It's a trained CNN model, and I've got my training file. I've used TensorFlow to train and save a CNN model. First we start by importing TensorFlow, and here we set the path for training and validation. And here we load the data from the dictionaries, and we define the CNN model with all the variables, and we compile the model. So here we train the model. As you can see, with each set of training, we can see the loss is reduced and the accuracy is increased. And after the training, everything is saved into this model. Then we have our main Python file where all the actual process is done. Here we start by importing all the necessary libraries into this file. Then we set up API keys to read question answer pairs from CSV, and we store it into this question answer pairs list. Then we load our pre-trained model down here for classifying the images. Then we load the knowledge base data and we store it into this KBL list. Here we set up an AI ML kernel and we bootstrap it into this XML file. Here is the welcome message that's printed on when we run the application. Then we enter into a loop to keep taking the input from the user to provide responses. So we generate AI ML to give the responses to the user. Here we have the conditions. Say if the request is to identify image. So here it classifies using pre-trained model, and it classifies into the characters, and it gives the results with some information on it. And if the request is not to classify image, and if the email response is 9, so it will look the closest match from question answer pairs to give the answer. If it's not 9, if it's an hash, so it will try to get the responses from Wikipedia and Weather app to give the proper response. So this loop is continued until it's terminated. The chatbot can be terminated by saying bye. I've already started my chatbot. We can start by giving some general commands saying hello. And we can ask about my topic saying what is so we can see the responses. So for like knowledge base, so we can say So chatbot remembers it now. You can ask. We can see the responses that are already saved, and we can see the answer is correct. So to classify image, and to type what is this image. It opens this dialog box. You can just copy the URL and paste it. So we can see the predicted class is narrative, and it has the information. We'll try it one more. So the answer is right. So to terminate, we can simply terminate by saying bye.